Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sandown Raceway in Melbourne, Victoria. Sunny Australia. Well, it was mostly sunny, a little bit soggy this morning. The odd spot of rain which dented progress a little, but finally the car is back out on track again. A few changes have come since the last track event. I've got a couple of new sensors measuring temperature in the transmission and the differential, and the dash has been upgraded a little bit, and I've poked around with the tiny I/O which lives under the dash over there and does its things via CAN bus into the ECU so that I can get all the sensors showing up on here. So far so good, all working okay, which is nice. We're just waiting for the cars ahead to start moving because we should be going out on track immediately, I think. I don't think there's any cars stuck out there that they need to pluck out of the dirt before we can get driving. The man, I can see the man at the end of the queue waving his arm like we're supposed to be ready to start our engines and go. Well, dude, I can tell you I've got my engine running already, so let's go. In our session today, a couple of Alfa 4Cs, like the one you can see in front. Very fast car in a straight line. Struggled to overtake those things. Also in this session is the 3 or 4 GR Yaris, I don't know. But they're fast. They're fast as well. The dude I was talking to, 125s, 124s around here, and I'm only 5 or so seconds faster. So, yeah, quick little cars. A couple of MX-5s, a couple of BMWs, there's a few other bits and pieces, 1 or 2 Porsches. So yeah, a nice little mix. Well, let's go. I want to drive. We're moving. This bloke in the orange top loves his job. Thanks, mate. Whoa. Sandown is a bloody bumpy circuit, particularly that section of the main straight just after the pit exit. Unfortunately, most of this session is going to be met with traffic, I think, so I'll struggle to get a kind of a clean, fast lap. MX-5s ahead. A little bit wide, unfortunately. I didn't get my braking right there. Zone up top of the hill here. Oh, geez, that aero. Now this car up ahead, red 86, he's the fastest car of the day. other than yours truly. Oh, I could brake so much later. For the whole circuit, you might as well use it. Grind down in the third. Have to say, hitting 5th and 6th is perfect with this transmission. With this shifter, I should say. Braking too early again. Got to get some more confidence into turn 1. Clout that curve, yeah boy! So, timer just said we did a 118 there. That's a clear 2.5 seconds faster than any other MX-5 has ever been around here, as far as I'm aware. Nothing's going to stop me from driving the shit out of this car today, I swear. I woke up having the worst sleep of my life. Fevers, bloody horrible headache. Only way I know how to cure it is to drive the shit out of my car and set PBs. Alright. Oh, a bit later that time. Could go later again. Later on the brakes again. Oil temps are a little warm. I tried adding a fan to the cooler. I'm not sure it's helped. Coolant temps are okay though. Alright, we're running out of brakes now. This will be our last fast lap. Yeah, pedals going near the floor. that'll do. The last 2 sessions on my timer didn't load properly, unfortunately, so I don't know what times they were. Felt fast, but you know, feels fast doesn't always mean fast. Sometimes you get too ragged, push too hard, and it actually costs you time. But it feels cool, you know what I mean? So we'll kind of bring it in gingerly, take the corners fairly brisk, and the straights fairly mild, try and get the temps down on the brakes and the engine. Meanwhile, keep the temps in the tyres up so we can give them a bit of a measure after the session, see how they are in terms of pressure and temperature across the tyre. See anything behind us in the mirrors, so I think we're clear to cruise into the pits. I'm not cool enough to have a pit on the actual main garages, so I just park out here out the back with all the other poor people. I'm speaking of poor people, there's a lovely Aston Martin V8 Vantage, one of the coolest sounding cars around. Argue in the comments why I'm wrong there. You can see the cars are kind of scattered around. There's not one defined spot for people to live. And the mix is varied from very homemade to very serious. I love this. There's a blue Porsche like 993 or whatever the generation before 993 was. Air cooled turbo body kit. I like it. Bright blue. BEAVIS Motorsport blue. Cool. Thanks for watching. That's been Sandown Raceway, and you just saw me set a new MX-5 lap record, I think. See you next time.